मैं बिग फाइट के प्रायोजकों को पहले अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि गत सोमवार तक, लास्ट मंडे तक हिंदुस्तान का मीडिया अनेक कारगुजारी के बावजूद भी इस्लामिक टेररिज्म ये शब्द उपयोग करने का कभी साहस नहीं करता था, क्योंकि उनका सूडो सेकुलरिज्म इतना उन पर हावी था कि सत्य बोलने की इनकी हिम्मत नहीं थी। कल मंगलवार को, लास्ट मंगलवार को, जब दुनिया के अखबार ये लिखने लगे अमेरिका की घटना के बाद, तब पहली बार, और मैं राजदीप के इस इनिशिएटिव को मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं कि सच को सच के रूप में पेश करने का उन्होंने साहस दिखाया है। जहां तक इस्लाम का सवाल है, उसके बहुत अच्छे पहलू है। आज जो लोग हैं वो इस्लाम का किस रूप से उपयोग कर रहे हैं, ये सवाल है। मूलभूत तत्व कहां पड़े हैं? जिस समय एक संप्रदाय ये कहता है कि मेरा संप्रदाय आपसे अलग है, ऊंचा है, जब तक तुम मेरे शरण में नहीं आओगे तब तक तुमको मोक्ष नहीं मिलेगा, अल्लाह नहीं मिलेगा, जीसस नहीं मिलेगा, तब कॉन्फ्लिक्ट शुरू होता है। और मैं मानता हूं विश्व के अंदर हिंदुस्तान ने यह विचार दिया है, एकम सत विप्राहा बहुधा वदंती, ट्रूथ इज वन, सेज इज कॉल्स इट इन अ डिफरेंट वे। ये मूलभूत चिंतन अगर रहा कि जगत के सब धर्म समान है, तब कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं है। लेकिन जब मैं ये कहता हूं कि तुम्हारा निकम्मा है, मेरा सही है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट शुरू होता है और हेट्रेड पैदा होती है। और उस हेट्रेड आगे चल करके जब साम्राज्यवाद से जुड़ती है, तब आतंक फैलता है। 1400 शताब्दी से पूरे विश्व में अपना झंडा फहराने का चला, और उसी का नतीजा है कि आज ये स्थिति आई है। इसलिए इस्लाम एक आइडियोलॉजी को
मिस्टर मोदी,
गाली गलौज करने के बजाय आज जो तत्व उसका दुरुपयोग कर रहे हैं, उस पर फोकस करना ज्यादा अच्छा हो।
Mr. Modi, your time is up. We haven't used the word Islamic terrorism. We've only raised the question, but so we don't need the compliments from you at the moment. But Dr. Zakaria, respond to Mr. Modi.
Now, what has Islam to do with whoever is responsible as far
I do not know what phobia he is having. I do not understand what phobia Dr. Zakaria is having. I myself say that nothing to do with Islam.
You use the word
those who are using the religion for this bad interest.
You
I
use
have
the word
that word.
Just a minute, Mr. Modi. You used the word Islamic terrorism. You were actually praising us in this program.
Yes, I was praising because in India the pseudo-secularist people are not ready to raise this type of question before. But only because the Western media has started, you have adopted it.
You mean
Because you cannot blame a religion, and one should not. And we are not against any religion, and no one should. And any Hindu can never be. This is the basic thinking of the Indian philosophy, and
yet,
that's why.
And yet you say that from 1480 Islam has used religion for militancy.
The problem is the misuse of this emotional feeling. And whether it comes through religion or something else, that is the danger to the society.
Okay, Siddharth, questions.
I'll make 2 quick points of questions. You said no Hindu can be opposed to any religion. You yourself a few minutes ago started by separating Islamic terrorism from Islam, and then you made a judgment on Islam as being a religion which so-called downgrades other peoples and religions, etc., etc. So in other words, you are commenting negatively on the religion itself. Second question, you seem to be very enamored by the Western media's description of Islamic terrorism, quote unquote. Do you know what the Western media refers to your party as, the BJP?
Well,
They use the phrase Hindu fundamentalist. Do you accept that phrase?
we don't accept it. In democracy, they have every right to say. In democracy, they have every right to say. In democracy, why should I say that they can say? This is what the difference between we and others. They say, if you say this, the gun is there. I say, no, I will accept it. As far as relations with each and every community is concerned, India is bound to have a good relation with each and every citizen of this country. If terrorism, we'll have to try to isolate this terrorist activity. We'll have to isolate terrorists. We'll have to cut their lifelines.
But how
and
are
then we'll have to handle them.
How are you isolating terrorists, Mr. Modi, when every time an incident like this occurs, you raise the religious, you bring in the religious agenda? You are linking at some stage religion and terrorism.
We, as far as BJP is concerned, we never do that.
Oh my
How
God.
you are going to blame me?
You just did it.
When myself I am saying
Oh my God.
that Islam has nothing to do these things. But those who are using the Islam for this purpose are danger to the society. And if even a Hindu is using this type of activity with the help of religion, it's a danger.
But this is a dangerous road. We've seen what's happened to Sikhs in America over the last few days because they wear turbans and presumably look like Osama bin Laden. If you build this up too far, what are you going to do to relations in this country? Isn't it dangerous?
It's a surprise for the world that even they don't have this much general knowledge, this American citizen. That because only they have a turban, they think that they are the Taliban people.
But
I'm sorry for
why
these American people.
Okay,
I'm sorry for that.
Why don't you give one assurance that during there will be an election campaign, for example, in Uttar Pradesh, you will not use the incidents of Tuesday to stir a communal divide, to label every Muslim in this country somewhere down the line as an Islamic terrorist. Are you willing to give that assurance?
It's a tragic condition in my Indian media that such a challenge to the humanity, and we are talking about the footpath politics. What we are doing when the people are talking about the challenge to the humanity, and we are talking about Uttar Pradesh and this caste and that caste.
I am asking you, will you use it?
What footpath politics they are going to do? This is the challenge against the humanity.
Are
And
you-
we'll have to face this challenge.
Are you going to use
and
it?
talk about the humanity.
Okay.
देशे सर्वे अपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु माँ कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत्। ये किसी एक देश के एक समाज के लिए विश्व की मानव जात के कल्याण की कल्पना इस धरती पर हुई। I am not talking about the definition.
Why are you
They
mixing?
say
Why are
those
you?
who are kafir, they have not right to live.
Why
This is what
are
they
you
thinking.
mixing the teaching of Islam
How you
by
can
what
kill the
by what some of the rulers in India did, who
Okay.
had nothing to do as far
Let's-
as practicing the tenets of Islam?
Okay, let's do. How do you explain very quickly, Dr. Zakaria? The fact is that the Al-Qaeda group which he has created has used religion all across the world, whether it's in Sudan, whether it's in Saudi Arabia, they're using it in Iraq, they want to use it in Libya, they've used it in Afghanistan. How do you explain that religion can be so easily used if you say Islam's tenets are so noble?
Do you know that who is the pioneer of modern terrorism? A terrorism which has almost disappeared. It is the Zionists, the Jews. The first terrorist attack in modern times took place on the this David Hotel in Cairo.
So you're saying that terms like Jewish terrorism are never used, we only use terrorism in the Islamic
Do you mean to say that terrorism has not been used by the erstwhile Christians in Yugoslavia? Do you mean to say that religion has not been used even by Prabhakaran in Sri Lanka? Religion is an easy weapon for those who want to exploit it.
In a way, Dr. Zakaria has actually said that they are using the religion. Now my another doubt is, when what happened in US, why these people destroy the Bamiyan Buddha Pratimas?
Why did you
Why they
destroy
destroy
Bamiyan?
it?
Why did you destroy the
And
Bamiyan
please,
Buddha?
Mr. Siddharth, wait. Why did they destroy this? And no one country in the world,
Do you accept no-
Islamic country world has criticized.
Do you
And
accept-
not only that, Pakistan.
Do you accept that all religions? Do you accept that all religions have been used over the years by various groups? Yes or no, Dr. Mohan?
I'm telling you, if you go to the history, if you go to the religion, only Hindu religion is concerned, as far as concerned, Hindu is not religion, it is dharma. And there is not a
Okay,
history
that's-
record in it.
Okay.
They have done any activity against any
Okay,
religion.
we'll come back to it.
What did you do those thousands of years as far as the Dalits are concerned? What did
Let's-
you do
we're
as
digressing.
far as the Buddhists are concerned? Why
I
are
am
you
talking
talking
about
like
the
this?
it's an internal
let's-
problem of the society.
Okay,
It is
just-
a weakness of my society.
let's not digress.
And we are worried
John.
about it. And
Mr. Modi, the question. Mr. Modi, you've had your- Mr. Modi, you've had your say.
Eradicate this type of thing.
Okay,
Dr.
John.
Zakaria, given what you've just
आज टेररिज्म इस ताकत तक पहुंचा है, उसका कारण है कि उसमें फंडामेंटलिज्म जुड़ा है, उसी ने ये हालत पैदा की। दूसरी बात है, हम इस्लाम शब्द उपयोग कर करके इस्लाम शब्द का उपयोग करके गलतियां करते हैं। आपको ये समझना होगा कि मुसलमानों ने when I say मुसलमान it does not mean Islam, उनका एक पॉलिटिकल रोड मैप है। उन्होंने दुनिया को 3 हिस्सों में बांटा है। एक दारुल अमन, दूसरा दारुल हरब, तीसरा दारुल इस्लाम। दारुल अमन का मतलब है लैंड ऑफ पीस, जहां पर इस्लाम पहुंच चुका है, वहां लैंड ऑफ पीस होना चाहिए, अथवा जहां इस्लाम कुछ करने की ताकत नहीं रखता है वहां पर दारुल अमन होना चाहिए। देन दारुल हरब, लैंड ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, जहां पर ताकत है वहां संघर्ष करो, अपना झंडा जमाओ।
Okay,
और
you made your
तीसरा
point. Let him respond.
दारुल इस्लाम, पूरे विश्व को इस्लाम में कन्वर्ट करना। ऐसे इरादों से
Let him respond.
पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट, those who are belong to the Islam,
He
they
must
are
respond.
doing this activity. Unless
You made your
we do
point,
not
Mr. Modi.
understand these people, we can't understand
Quickly
terrorism.
respond. We have to take a break.
Mind.
We have-
डॉक्टर जकरिया का एंटी हिंदू माइंड मेरे शब्दों को भी समझ नहीं पा रहा है।
We have to
मैं कहता हूं,
Mr.
कुछ मुसलमानों ने,
Mr. Modi, we
मैं
have-
बार बार कहता हूं, कुछ
Okay,
मुसलमानों ने,
we have to take a break. We're cutting up, Mr. Modi. We're taking a. It's
आपको
not
भी
about.
संभाल के रहना चाहिए।
Mr. Modi,
बार हिंदू फोबिया, बार
Mr. Modi, this is a very serious
फोबिया, आपको सुनने की तैयारी रखनी पड़ेगी।
Okay.
आपको सुनने की तैयारी रखनी पड़ेगी।
Okay.
आप नहीं कह सकते लोग, हम
Let's
आपके लिए
not.
बात कर रहे हैं।
Please, let's not degenerate this into a debate.
Civilization. So when at one side there is a terrorism, at the other side is a civilization. How we can put both on the one way?
Then why bring the religious angle in the first place? If Osama was, as long as he was a CIA creation, nobody called him a radical Islamist. Today he becomes an Islamic terrorist.
राजदीप, ओसामा बिन लादेन को ताकत कहां से मिल रही है? समर्थन कौन कर रहा है? करने वालों का प्रेरणा क्या है? जब वो उनको इस्लाम की भाषा बोलता है तब बच्चे और खड़े होते हैं उसके साथ। और कोई प्रेरणा वो एंटी अमेरिका के मूड से नहीं कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है इस्लाम की भावनाओं का दुरुपयोग करते हुए।
Mr. Modi had made a comment of isolating terrorism. So I think, how do we isolate? It is the high time. Like we should really
Okay,
take a
that's your
step.
question.
question.
Yes, the gentleman in the yes.
For Mr. I'm sorry,
Yes.
I'm not
Yes.
speaking.
Yeah, you don't understand. Come on.
Yeah. You told to this gentleman that the thing, that the sentiments of the Muslims in Babri Masjid demolition, they are footpath politics, and anything being done in America or anywhere in the world, that is very good, that is very illicit politics.
देखिए, भारत के इनिशिएटिव के कारण 2 बार से यूएन की मीटिंग में हम लोगों ने टेररिज्म एक इश्यू बनाया।
You have a 1 minute time.
आज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पूरे देश को आज 2 कैंप में डिवाइड करने में हम सफल हुए हैं। एक वो लोग जो टेररिज्म के अगेंस्ट हैं, दूसरे वो लोग जो टेररिज्म का समर्थन कर रहे हैं। मैं समझता हूं कि अमेरिका की ये ताजा घटनाएं उसमें और गति देगी और दुनिया 2 हिस्सों में बंटने वाली है। एक दोज हु आर विद ह्यूमैनिटी एंड दोज हु आर अगेंस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी।
Okay.
एंड दिस इज द वे वी हैव टू डू। एज फार द अनदर क्वेश्चन इज कंसर्न्ड,
Yeah.
दिस टोटल मिसकंसेप्शन you have. You don't have a correct information, and if you want to do the debate on Ayodhya, I'm ready to come wherever you want me. I'll
Okay,
come back and
let 3 seconds are up. Your
all
20
my
seconds.
Muslim friends must understand that these terrorists have damaged Islam like anything. So they must disconnect themselves from this terrorist. They come out openly against the terrorist. Then only they can change the image,
Right.
and they
Well-
will have to do them something.
He's